Today I am going to make a painting on a clip. I have made this on a plain clip, painting on them. We will make this now. It is so easy to make. Hello guys, this is a plain clip. I am going to paint on it. I have taken black paint acrylic and taken a brush, simple brush, and I am going to paint it with black acrylic paint. I have finished doing this paint. Paint so easily that we can't see its color. See the result. Now I am going to take this mandala tools. This I have been purchased yesterday. Now I am going to take a big mandala tool which I have taken pink color, white color, and I am going to paint it. White color, I am going to take a big point of a mandala tool. Now let's start. Now I am taking white color to doing the border. We will do all the sides with white color one by one. Do it carefully because it is paint. One by one. Now I have done all the color on it fill, and I am going to take pink color and taking same color to make on it a small point. I am going to tap on it with pink color with small pointed tool. One by one. I have done all this. See the final result.